White the sheep that gave the wool, green the pastures where they fed, blue and scarlet side by side. Bless the warmth and bless the thread. May the charm of lasting life be upon your flocks in full, from the hill where they rest. May they rise both whole and well. Bless the man who wears this cloth. May he wounded never be from the bitter cold and frost. May this cloth protection be. Now is walked the web we spun. Winter storms may rage in vain. Bless the work by which we won comfort from the wind and rain. White the sheep that gave the